The LG B20 user here, and today I'm doing an app review. So today I'll be doing an app review on a web browser. So today I'll be talking about Adblocker for Android. So this is basically a web browser that lets you block ads. Yeah, this is pretty fucking cool. So I had the app loaded here, as you guys can see right here. It says browse in peace. Ad blocking is automatically integrated. No more annoying ads while you surf. So they show you guys what it's like with ads and show you guys what it's like without ads. So yeah, it's pretty fucking cool. So one more step. So it says that you're in control. Annoying ads are always blocked, while non-intrusive ads are displayed by default. You can change this setting at any time. It tells you guys how to do it. So you guys see the acceptable ads right there would be like a green check mark. So if you guys want to check that out, it says tap the menu settings, ad blocking, and acceptable ads to turn it off. It says to learn more about acceptable ads by tapping on the thumbnail when you first launch the browser. So that's what the browser will look like when you guys launch it for the very first time. So you click on finish, and this is what the browser looks like after you install it for the very first time. So you got your type sites here. You got Adblock Plus, acceptable ads, beta community, and you can add a site if you guys want to. You also got bookmarks. You got about your browser. You got acceptable ads, Adblock Plus, beta community there, and you got your history there. It says using a new private tab won't save your history. So that's what the main page of it looks like when you guys launch for the very first time. You can type in any website or search for anything you want up here in the search bar. You got your tabs right here, and you can add as many tabs as you want. You got your tabs, and you got your privacy tab there. So if you click on the plus button, you can add tabs that you guys see too. So if you guys want to get rid of a tab, just what you do, just click on the X up here and I'll get rid of the tab. And you got settings, you got new private tab, or close all tabs. You guys want to do that. You click on the three dots, you got your settings here. You got back, forwards, favorites, refresh. You got share, new tab, new private tab, bookmarks, history, find end page, block ads on this site, request desktop site, page, tools, and settings. If you click on tools, you get downloads, logins, a new guest session. So I guess you can have a guest browsing on here, so that's pretty cool. And obviously your downloads is where your downloads would be. If you guys want to get to your downloads, go to menu, go to tools, and go to your downloads, and your downloads would be right there. Click on the three dots again, go to settings, and you got a whole bunch of settings for general, search, privacy, ad blocking, accessibility, notification, advanced, clear private data, make default browser, Adblock browser, tell you guys what it's about, FAQs and all that good stuff. If you guys want to click on acceptable ads, you just click on this right here, this green check. It's basically tell you like what it is and stuff like that. So y'all guys can go read this for yourselves. It's not much to it. It's back in October. You can go to acceptableads.com, click on that, and yeah. So just click on that or whatever, and it'll take you here. So y'all guys can read this for yourselves there. Let's get out of here. So let's go back there. Let's go to settings. You got general. You got general. You got home. You can customize your home page. You can set the home page. You can top sites, bookmarks, history, content updates, or whatever. Language. You can change the language. You got full screen browsing. tab queue, compact tabs, search. You got all the different search engines there. Privacy. You could have do not track, which will not tell sites that you do not want to be tracked. Clear private data on exit, manage logins, remember logins, and use master password. Adblock, and this is where the stuff is. So it says block intrusive elements, block intrusive ads and other elements such as images on all websites. You leave that leave it checked. Languages, you can specify. You can change the language for that. And more blocking options, and you got acceptable ads. You should click on more blocking options. You guys got disable tracking, disable malware domains, disable anti-ad blocking messages, disable social media buttons. I'm gonna disable all of this. Alright, so let's disable all of this. So that's now disabled. You click on add another filtered list, and that will show up. So all that's now disabled, so that's good. So you click on acceptable ads here. It says allowed some non-intrusive advertising. You can also have it checked or unchecked. It's checked by default. I suggest you guys cut it off. So it's now off. So that's good. So the accessibility, you can change the text size, zoom, voice input, and all that. You can get notifications about new features, website updates, and all that. Advanced will let you restore tabs, data saver, development tools, and all that. So that's pretty much self-explanatory in your settings. Let's go to a website here. Let's go to phonearena.com here, because that site has a lot of ads on it, as you guys know. phonearena.com. Let's go. Just I'm gonna load up the mobile site first, and just click on request a desktop site, and it should give us the desktop site for phonearena.com here. Alright, just get this thing to load here. So here's the site loading up right now. I'll just get a second to load. It's a very heavy website. It has like a lot of flash content on it and stuff like that. There's not supposed to be an ad up there. Let's try another website. Let's try www.loveroms.com. If you guys like to play emulators on your phone, this is a website that you guys should check out to get your ROMs for your emulators for your phone and stuff like that. Loveroms.com. This browser starts to block every ad that you can think of, pop-ups and all that. Supposed to block every ad that you can think of. Supposed to block it all. So just get the second to load here. Every time I go to this website, guys, I get like a pop-up or whatever. It's just, it's just a bogus pop-up or whatever. So that's what the website looks like there. Scroll down, they got Wii games in here. Cool. Check out, let's check out Super Mario 3 here for the Game Boy Advance. You click on this to take you to the download page. This is for the Game Boy Advance. This is just an example here. I'm not sure what that blue box is at the bottom of the screen there. There's a red dot there, but that's my recording. Icon there for my screen recorder. So just don't freak out about that. I don't know why it does all that, but you can, this is Super Mario Advance 4 for the Game Boy Advance, based on Super Mario 3. You click on Fast Download, and it should be downloading, and you have to give the Adblock browser access to your photos, media, and files on your device in order to download, whatever. So, and then you should get like a thank you page here. Yeah, I'm trying to see if there's like any. I'm trying to see if it will pop up or whatever. See, it's downloading right now. See, there's a little error moving. I'm trying to see if like a pop up will show up. That's what I'm trying to see. So you'll be greeted to here and no pop. I didn't get no pop up or nothing like that. So you can check out the emulators that they got for top board. You can check out the different emulators that they got for Game Boy Advance for different platforms like Windows, Android, and iOS and Mac and all that good stuff here there. So you guys check this out. I didn't get no pop-ups or nothing. If you guys want to check out your downloads, you just go to your three dots here. Go to Tools, go to Downloads, and there it is right there. So you got your downloads right there. Just click on the new tab here. So you'll have like all the sites that you visited. If you guys want to delete something, you can go to the website, open a new tab, open a private tab, copy address, share, edit, pin site, remove, or add home screen. I'm going to remove that. I'm going to remove this too. I'm going to remove this. And you click on the Adblock Plus here. It'll take you to the Adblock Plus site here. So I tell you guys, Adblock Plus set up the web without annoying ads, block banners, pop-up tracking, malware, and more. By default, non-intrusive ads aren't blocked in order to support websites. You can learn more. It's free for users and open sourced. And they got different platforms there. They got like Firefox, Chrome, Android, Opera, and then the Explorer and other web browsers like Microsoft Edge. It says one thing, block ads on your smartphone or tablet. Get an Adblock browser. That's what you're looking at right now. And then it's just like a little video. See, that's what it's like without ads. That's what it's like. That's what it's like with ads, and that's what it's like without ads on the right. So this open source Adblock Plus is an open source project, active on 100 million devices. Adblock Plus is the world's most popular browser extension. I got this on my Chrome browser on my desktop. So yeah, and privacy guaranteed. Adblock Plus will never collect your personal data. So y'all can check this out right there. Pretty cool. So I didn't get no pop-ups on that website, the Love Rhymes website. I didn't get no pop-ups on there because I usually get pop-ups when I go to that website or whatever. So I think I'm gonna make this my default browser. It's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. So check it out. So you can customize it to whatever. You can choose your search engine or whatever. I'm gonna choose Google. Set as default. You can search suggestions, show search history if you guys want. Excuse me. And you can check these other settings for yourself and check them out. So yeah, man, this is a pretty cool browser, and yeah, so far I like it so far. My Obviously the best thing about this thing is no ads. Obviously, this would be the main purpose. This would be the main purpose of downloading this browser. No ads. Um, this is pretty fucking cool, and I'm probably gonna make this my default browser here. So yeah, it's available for Android and iOS. It's free to download. So if you guys are interested in that, check out the links below. I will have a link to where you guys can download it from the Play Store and the Apple App Store. So check those out, and you can get it on your smartphone, tablet, and stuff like that. I wonder if you can get it on your Android TV. I wonder if you can get this on your Android TV. You probably can. You can try. But so far I like this browser. It's pretty fucking cool. And if you guys didn't notice, this browser that you're looking at is based off of Firefox. So this is basically a Firefox browser, but it's called Adblock browser Android. So as you can see right there, Firefox there. So that's pretty nice. So yeah, this is a pretty cool browser so far. I suggest you guys check it out and give it a try. You guys might like it. Best part is no fucking ads. So it's supposed to block all type of ads that you could think of: banner ads, pop-up ads, malware ads, video ads, tracking. That's supposed to block all that shit. So, just to give you guys a quick recap, guys. When you guys first get the browser, go to settings. Go to all the way down, go to ad blocking right here, and you guys will see block intrusive elements. Leave that alone because that'll be checked by default. Leave that alone. Go down to acceptable ads. Uncheck this box as soon as you guys get here. Uncheck it because it'll be checked by default, but uncheck it, and then go to more blocking options. Check all this right here. Make sure that every one of these are checked, because they'll block everything that you think of. So make sure that you guys do that. It's pretty self-explanatory, guys. Best thing of all, this is free, so it's worth a try if you guys want to check it out for yourselves. So yeah, man. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Please subscribe. But thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.